Hey guys, welcome to Desk Jockey Physio, where we help active desk folks feel and move better. My name is Mitch Starkman. I'm an FCAMP registered physiotherapist and sports medicine clinic owner here in Toronto. Thanks for stopping by. Hey everyone, two quick updates before we jump into today's video. Number one, we have a free giveaway today. If you head over to deskjockeyphysio.com/guide, you can download your 5-step guide of how to set up the perfect laptop home office, which you can do right here, okay? And number two, we are now offering online physiotherapy sessions for you folks out there. To learn more about that, head over to deskjockeyphysio.com/online, and we'll see you there. All right, otherwise, enjoy the video, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, so today we are talking about a DIY option for making your very own standing desk from home. Now, not to aid this video, but a lot of folks right now are working from home with COVID-19, and so I think it's really important. I'm getting a lot of questions on how do I set up the perfect home office at home, especially a standing option. So for those of you who want a little more help than what we have today, please jump over to our website, deskjockeyphysio.com/ergonomics with an S, and we are offering online virtual home office assessments. And you can check us out over there, okay? But what I would say is for today, we're going to talk about your own way to do it. Now, for most people are working from countertops. This could be your kitchen table, this can be your den, all of these things, and most people are working from some type of surface that's about this height. And that can lead to problems because it often leads to us hanging out like this, working on it. So, not to mention sitting in the same crummy spot in a crummy chair, and all this leads to problems. So, let's talk about some ways you can do that. Now, all you really need is sort of a laptop, a keyboard, a mouse, and most importantly, we need items that we can elevate ourselves on. So that can be bookshelves, an old bookshelf, that can be cleaning off the old bookshelf and using all your old books and textbooks, phone books if you still have those at home. Anything of that sort you can use. I've got a whole bunch of stuff that you can kind of check out of mine, but what I'm going to do is stack that up today and show you guys how to do this. And once I have it all set up, we'll talk about how it works at the end. All right, so I'm going to speed this up, and we'll see you guys in a minute, okay? All right. All right, guys, welcome back. So that's our setup here. Okay, we've got two different levels. We'll talk about it. My last piece is one I mentioned. Great book, Desk Bound, Dr. Kelly Starrett. One of my favorite books. And if you're looking for something to read about how to stay mobile and healthy and flexible at the office, this is a great one to check out. So I'm going to use it to hold my keyboard. So I'm going to sneak that down on there. And last step, I'm going to sneak this on top to support myself. So here's my makeshift setup. So what I've got here, the two most important things is that I've set up this height so that when my elbows are bent and rested, I'm 90-degree bend at my elbow, my shoulder is relaxed, I'm not up at my ears, I'm nice and settled down, and I can gently rest as I do this typing. So then go on my mouse, I can hang out and sort of do this, click around, and I have enough leeway to do it. My arm isn't stuck to my side, it's loosely just relaxed. Now, this, what my laptop is on, I've set this up in a way that I'm staring straight ahead. My eye gaze is about an inch just below that top of my monitor, and I'm good to rock. Now, we talked about in our other video about sort of home setups. What I like to use is an external wireless mouse and keyboard. You can plug it into a USB hub or just directly into your computer, and then you're good to go. You don't have wires dangling and that sort of thing. But there's a really easy way for me to kind of get going. Then when I'm tired or I want to change positions, I can just super easily grab this, jump over to my couch. We also have a video on that, how to set up yourself at a couch, but in any position you want, and go from there. Last thing I want to mention is just because you're standing doesn't mean you're perfect, okay? The other thing you can do is have yourself a small stool or chair that you can use to fiddle around with your position and add more movement into your day. So what that means is I can have my foot, boom, up top as I'm working away on my computer doing my thing. I can have my other foot go up. I can even lean back and hang in this position, right? So I can vary my movement as much as I want throughout my day to stay comfortable, stay confident, and feel good. All right, so that is your DIY option for home. And you've got two risers sort of set up, books, whatever it takes to get yourself into that good level. Again, go ahead and smash that like button down there. We appreciate it. If you do have any questions for us, please leave them below. Happy to answer those. And subscribe if you can. And of course, move like you mean it. Thanks a lot.